Hey, what's going on, guys? Vega here from SerpentX Special Forces, and I'm going to be building a system for my friend. This is the same friend that was impacted by the human malware that I made a video about not too long ago. And mainly what I'm talking about is the supply chain of much of these components that we get and the manufacturers being impacted. It was very hard to get a motherboard, specifically this model, and it was very hard to get a power supply. However, we got all the components that we need to upgrade his system because it is pretty old. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the parts, and then we'll get into building. Now, first off, if you haven't already picked up on it, yes, this is an old Coolmaster half. I forget which version, but it is an old Coolmaster. Oh my God, I can't talk today. Cooler Master computer case. Very old design. It's got some old Intel parts in it, but we're going to be upgrading to AMD. Unfortunately, we didn't get the power supply we absolutely wanted, but it is a Thermaltake 700 watt smart power supply. It's 80 plus rated, not bronze, platinum, titanium, but it is 80 plus rated, so it will be efficient and it will do the job that we need to. Specifically, it has the connections we need for newer type motherboards, whereas his old power supply does not have the capability. As far as the motherboard, we're going to be pairing the AMD Ryzen 3600. Don't really need too crazy overclock, and it already comes with XFR or extended frequency range capability, so we should be good. We got 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance LPX 3200 megahertz, and then the storage, which he does have hard drives and everything, is the XPG SX8800 Pro. This is actually the same hard drive that I have, but I have the 1 terabyte version in my laptop. So we're going to go ahead and start building this system. We definitely need to clean out this case. It's seen some time. Airflow isn't as good as I want up front, but we'll go ahead and see if there's any modifications that we can do effectively. Obviously, we're going to be limited on the USB ports on this thing because of the age of the system, but we'll go ahead and clean it up, get to work, put you guys in a time lapse, and we'll see. All right, guys, the system is done. Not exactly the best case or the best situation I was put in. Let's go over real quick and give you my final thoughts on why I chose this system. So unfortunately, we're using a stock cooler. We're not using the best power supply as far as efficiency. And again, this case is not the best, but with the tools that we were provided, it's done, and the system will last them a long time. I know we got ketchup and mustard. So as far as the best build, it's definitely not considering the case, but this old Coolmaster half series will get the job done. Why did I choose this setup over the new Intel, especially the 10 series that just came out? Well, because the 10 series was coming out, Ryzen chips got cheaper. And we took advantage of that and got this 3600 for hella cheap, maxed out the memory, got a pretty good B450 board that is going to sustain him for a long time. And what I mean by that is he's going to have the option to upgrade to the 4000 series CPUs in the future. He can even upgrade to the higher end 3000 series. The motherboard can handle it, and now he has the availability to jump up to the 4000 series if he chooses to. He's got plenty of storage room. We got an extra M.2 slot. He's already got the memory maxed out. He does need better fans or better cooling. The airflow in this system with the side panel on is not the best, but it will get the job done for now. Unfortunately, the front fan is 80 mil and the back fans is 120. He does have room up top and on the side, but just he needs to upgrade the case. I would get a better power supply, a better video card sometime in the future. This is a GTX 1060, but as far as the main platform, the main base of this system, perfectly capable machine. Yes, we could have gone with a 10600K if it was even available. If you look online, they either sold out, back order, or what have you. Can't even find them. The pricing on the Intel series is a little bit past his budget as well, and Ryzen just hit the sweet spot. So it can do what he wants. It'll be able to handle the games that he wants, and he has the availability to upgrade anytime. The 10400 would have been my next pick. Honestly, I would like to see how the 10400 does, but it's going to get the job done with the Ryzen system and upgradability, unlike Intel, where every time you do get a new CPU, you're going to have to upgrade the entire platform as well. Maybe they might change that in the future. Who knows? Anyways, this system is built. It's rock solid. My friend's going to have a good time with it. He has all the upgrade paths that he needs. Next thing, better case, better GPU, and then little bits here and there. And he's going to have a system that's going to last him a while. So that's one of the main reasons why I picked it over the 10 series or Intel. But I hope you like this content. Do me a favor, hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments what you would have done differently. Let's talk about it.